What is Google My Business, GMB? One of the easiest ways of gaining local visibility in Google is through optimization of your GMB listing. This will increase your business local search traffic. This helps in determining how your business's information is displayed on Google and Google Maps when people search for your business. What is Google My Business? Google My Business, GMB, is a free tool that any local business owner can use to create their business profile. This helps to control how their business's information appears in Google Search and on Google Maps. With GMB, you can add business location photos, create persuasive business descriptions to attract customers to visit your physical store. You can also show your official hours of operation and business contact information. It can also help an owner track and reply to customer reviews, comments and questions left after clients interact with your business. Luckily, GMB has a mobile app that anyone can use to track the business online presence wherever you are. The app allows you to edit your business information, that is, business address, phone number, and hours. Businesses can also post updates on special offers and events that they have on their GMB account. It offers free analytics, letting business owners know which keywords people use to find their business online. It also indicates where these customers are located. Why is Google My Business important? According to a research on local search ranking factors on Google, GMB is constantly within the main ranking factors in a local map search. It was reported as a major factor in organic local search. Does your business need higher search engine traffic? If you answered yes, then you definitely need to set up and optimize your GMB account. When you are visible in local searches like Google Maps, then it is easy for customers to find you when looking for the services you offer. Here is an example of what shows up when I search for salon in Nairobi on Google. In this example, Google Maps results are displayed above the organic search results. Please note, Google Map results do not always show up on top. However, people still click on them even if they are farther down on that Google page. Google Maps makes it easy for your potential customers to see precisely where your business is located and your operating hours. They can get directions to your shop location, and this helps you get many customers without spending on advertisement. Having a GMB account also allows your customers to leave reviews after interacting with your business. Customer reviews, questions, and messages have also been a key ranking factor on Google and other search engines. As a business, having many positive customer reviews will assist you rank better in local Google searches. If they leave negative reviews, ensure you reply promptly to resolve them, as this will help you gain trust with other potential customers. I hope this has been helpful. Now you know more about GMB. Please subscribe to our channel.